You're north. It's alright, eh?
You're fucking eating it.
It's blowing, son.
No, it's better than this.
Pretty slick, mate. Outside looking schmick as well. Nah, I haven't, dude. Yeah. 3-link with the watts is looking so good. Luke, this engine oil you have here, it looks of a very high quality.
Fuck yeah. I don't know if you saw the tough Australian branding here.
Amazing.
Bit of home slice in every bottle.
Indeed. And what was the cost of this extra high quality oil for this supreme race vehicle that we have here?
Mate, so 4 litres of this gear, it costs you $9.80.
$9. Amazing. For refined oil that will run an automobile for a number of thousand of kilometres.
For fucking 100,000 kilometres in this thing.
And just as many mangs. For $9, I'm dumbfounded. I think a 2-litre bottle of water at a service station costs almost the same. This is incredible. It's also the slowest filling engine I've ever seen.
It's the gauze in the filter.
Can't remove that.
Well, I don't want to because...
We really need to filter the $9 oil, don't we? Such purity can't enter such a piece of shit engine without getting filtered.
Just gotta pick the fucking band-aids out of it before it gets into the motor.
Excellent.
If we weld the volt in. No, it's not gonna grab.
Bolt's gonna, well's gonna pop.
Yep. Really what I wanted. Think.
Don't say anything.
Oh man.
Oh, good.
Look at that. You can see the weld sitting on the cast.
Oh shit. And then welding to
And then,
that.
yeah, and then actually attaching to this shit.
Amazing. I kind of can't believe that worked, eh? It's like brand new.